Hi, this is Selena from Dongguan, China. Thanks for our Mexico customer support. This machine behind me is our 12-ton vertical plastic mixer. This one is the biggest model for loading container. It is customized by 40 high-cube container size, and the diameter is 2.25 meters. The total height is 8.2 meters. You may notice that there are two feeding inlets for faster feeding in materials. And this mixer, we also have material sensor. When materials feeding into the tank to the 90% of the tank, the indicator light will alarm. This kind of super huge capacity plastic mixer, there are safety guardrails on the top of the mixer and also for the ladders. But now for better loading containers, the safety guardrails have been disassembled for better loading container. And this machine can well mix all kinds of plastic materials evenly and conveniently. If you are interested in getting more information about our machine, welcome to contact me. Thanks for watching the video. See you next time. Bye bye.